Hello, in this video, we shall be looking at subtractions of mixed fractions. In our last video, we did subtraction of proper fractions, and that was pretty simple. This one also is very simple, so let's get right into it. A mixed fraction is a fraction that consists of whole number and a proper fraction. So this is a mixed fraction and a mixed fraction. Let's go ahead and see how to subtract a mixed fraction from another mixed fraction. So, equal to, you have two brackets, something like this. As simple as that. A plus will be here. The sign between the two brackets is a plus. It's always a plus. Even though you are subtracting, here should be plus sign. Good. So the whole number should come here. 3 minus, you are subtracting. So the bracket here will be minus minus since you are subtracting. Only here will be plus. So 3 minus 1. 3 minus 1. Good. Here is 2 over 3. 2 over 3 minus 1 over 4. The next thing is to give you 2. 3 minus 1 is 2. Plus this plus LCM of 3 and 4. We will do like this. LCM of 3 and 4 is 12. 3 into 12, 4 times. 4 times this 2 is 8. Minus 4 into 12 is 3 times. 3 times this 1 is 3. So we have 2 plus 8 minus 3 is 5. 5 over this 12. And so the answer will be this 2 whole number, we'll bring this one here. 5 over 12. As simple as that. Simple. So we're going to do another one. So let me clean this. This one I want to do is more advanced than this. So please pay closer attention. Let me use we have 8 whole number 1 over 3 minus 2 whole number 5 over 9. Beautiful. So let's start. 2 brackets plus 2 under brackets. The whole number should go here. 8 minus 2. 8 minus 2. 1 over 3 minus 5 over 9. 5 over 9. Good. Equal to. This 8 minus 2 will give us 6. Plus, draw your line. LCM of 3 and 9 is 9. 3 into this 9, 3 times. 3 times 1, 3, minus. 9 into 9 is 1 times. 1 times 5 will give us 5. So if you look at this thing very well, this is 3 minus 5. And that is impossible. 3 cannot minus 5. So what you will do is to borrow 1 from this 6. To borrow 1 from this 6. And that will be, so if you remove 1 from this 6, it will be 5. Plus the 1 you borrowed, Write it first like this, so that you'll see it. This you have removed 1 from this 6. Look at it, so it is 5. The one you remove, look at it here. Then you write your 3 minus 5 over 9. Good. So the next thing is you look at this denominator. Here it is 9. First of all, let's add this 5 plus. Don't write 1 again. You change this 1. But to change it to what? Look at this 9. Look at the denominator. What you have here is 9. So you change this 1 to 9 over 9. 9 over 9 is still the same thing as 1. Any number divided by itself is still 1. So you change this 1 to 9 over 9. Yes, using 9 over 9 because here the bottom number is 9. So this 1 is now 9 over 9, which is the same thing as 1. So plus your 3 minus 5 over 9. Good. So this is your 5. Write it here. Now notice that this, you have the same denominator, 9, 9. That is why we did this 1 to be 9 over 9, so that they will have the same. It will have the same denominator with this side. So here we have 9 and 9. So what you will do now, pay attention. This 9, right? You see 5 plus, right here, plus. Now this 9, this numerator 9, write it here, plus this 3 minus this 5. Everything over 9 because it's 9, 9. So everything over 9. Beautiful. The next thing, this 5. 9 plus 3 is 12. 12 minus 5 is 7. So here will be plus, this plus, 5 plus 5 plus 7. This is 9 plus 3 is 12. 12 minus 5 is 7. 7 over what? Over 9. Beautiful. Now what you do is just to write this your 5 whole number, 7 over 9. And that will be your answer. As simple as that. So I believe that this is very simple. Just take it step by step, and you notice that it is actually not as difficult as it appears. This is very, very simple. I'll do another example so that it will reinforce what we have just done now. So let me do another example. So let me clean this. Beautiful. So let's look at 7 whole number, 3 over 8 minus, we're subtracting, 5 whole number, 7 over 16. Good. You do your brackets, 2 brackets, 1 bracket, another bracket. Please, here must always be plus. Doesn't matter whether you're subtracting or you're adding. Here must always be plus. But if you're subtracting, then here will be minus. Minus. 7 minus 5. 7 minus 5. 3 over 8. 3 over 8 minus 7 over 16. Beautiful. So, equal to 7 minus 5 will give us 2. 2 plus this one. The LCM is 16. 8 into 16, 2 times. 2 times 3 is 6 minus 16 into 16 once. 1 times 7, 7. What do you notice? Here is 6 minus 7, which is impossible. So what you do is, you borrow 1 from these 2. And so this 2 will now be 1 plus the 1 you borrowed, write it here, plus this plus all of this. $16. Good. So your 1, look at your 1 here. This is your 1 because 2 is no longer, it has been reduced to 1. So the next thing plus. Now look at this denominator. Here is 16. The bottom number here is 16. So you make this 1 that you borrowed, this 1, make it to be 16 over 16. It also means it's still the same as 1, but 16 over 16. Because here is 16. So make this 1 to be 16 over 16 plus 6 minus 7 over 16. Beautiful. Equal to, this is your 1, write it here, plus, now that you see that now they have the same bottom number, denominator. They are now like fractions. Like fractions have the same denominator or bottom number. So you write all of this now, you write all over. So that 16, 16, just write 16. This 16, this one at the top, write it there, plus this 6, minus this 7. Beautiful. So we're making progress. Equal to this 1, look at it here, plus 16 plus 16. 16 plus 16. So 16 plus 6. Sorry, 16 plus 6. That will give you 22. 22 minus this 7. See? Is 15. 15. So here we now 15 over 16. 15 over 16. Can you break this fraction further? No. So you just write your 1, bring your 15 over 16, and this is your answer. So you can see that this is very simple. It's like eating cake. So this is your answer. That's your answer. I hope that this video was straightforward, simple enough for you. Just follow it step by step, step by step. You realize that it's actually very simple. It's not as difficult as it appears. Just as we have done it together, step by step, step by step. Where you cannot subtract, like in this case, 6 minus 7, you borrow 1 from the whole number. You borrow 1. And since here was 2, it becomes 1. So the one that you borrowed, look at it here, write it down so you will see it first. After that, you change this one to a fraction. To which fraction? Before you change to a fraction, look at the bottom number here. If it's 16, as in this case, you make this one to be 16 over 16. So that you have the same bottom number with this one. So that it will help you to just draw a long line. 16, 16, just 16. 16 plus 6 minus 7. Look at it. You subtract, you add and subtract, and that will be it. So please, if you have not liked this video, like it, subscribe to it if you have not. So this video will go far. We want to impact many people. We want to let them understand that maths can be very, very simple, as we have seen here. Till next time, thank you very much for watching, and take good care of yourself.